Now we need to add numbers with a different number of decimal places. So we can see that with 6.9 we've got a number with tenths, but with 6.15 we've got a number with tenths and hundredths. So we can write this out as a column addition. So 6.9 plus 6.15. But notice how I've written the numbers. We need to make sure that we always write the numbers out with the decimal points lined up, because if our decimal points are lined up, then our ones, tenths and hundredths place value columns will be lined up as well. Now we can write a 0 in this empty square because we haven't changed the question. 6.90 is the same as 6.9. All the 0 tells us is that we don't have any hundredths in the number 6.9. One thing we need to remember to do is to copy the decimal point down into our answer, and I like to do that straight away so that I don't forget. So now we can just add using column addition, so working from right to left. 0 plus 5 is 5, 9 plus 1 is 10, so that's 1, 0, and 1 plus 6 plus 6 is 13. That gives us 13.05 as our answer, and we need to make sure that we include the 0 in the tenths because the 5 is 5 hundredths. Next we have 16.3 plus 1.87, so we write the question out with the decimal points lined up. We can write a 0 in this empty square, and we need to remember to copy the decimal point down into our answer. Now we can add using column addition. So 0 plus 7 is 7, 3 plus 8 is 11, that's 1, 1, 1 plus 6 plus 1 is 8, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So our answer is 18.17. Finally, we have 48.26 plus 12.8. We've got our decimal points lined up, so we can write a 0 in this empty square and copy the decimal point down into our answer. Now 6 plus 0 is 6, 2 plus 8 is 10, so that's 1, 0, 1 plus 8 plus 2 is 11, that's 1, 1, and 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6, which gives us our answer 61.06. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.